Surya Saha and welcome to the Insurtech Story podcast, the platform to spread knowledge on insurance innovation, digital disruptions, and entrepreneurship. Our website, insurtechstory.com, and we are available on Spotify, Apple, Google, and Amazon Music. Today, we have a very special topic to discuss that's on the Insurance Innovation Day, which is hosted by the Magic of Innovation, scheduled to take place on the 6th and 7th of June 2023 in Vienna, and also live streamed. And for now, I'm delighted to welcome our guest for the day, Erika Krizan, who is the founder and initiator of Insurance Innovation Day, one of the landmark events for the insurance and insurtech community in Vienna. But before that, welcome to our podcast session on this special episode on Insurance Innovation Day. And today we have a special guest, as we said. But before that, to all our listeners, are you ready to unlock the power of innovation in the insurance sector? Erica's upcoming Insurance Innovation Day is your gateway to discovering cutting edge ideas, disruptive technologies, and game changing solutions. Joining us on our podcast session as we delve into the minds of industry leaders and explore how they're revolutionizing insurance. So get ready to embrace the future. Erika, are we ready for the show?
Yes, very well welcome from my side, everybody.
Fantastic. So, warm welcome to the show. And to begin with the agenda for the day, our first question to you is: what are some key strategic or initiatives that insurance companies are employing to promote innovation within their organizations? Since your upcoming event primarily focuses on the innovation part of the insurance sector, let us discuss this key question that we all would like to know from you.
Yeah, I would like to start with a short history of my persona. So I'm
Yes.
more than 30 years in the insurance industry, and 20 years
Wow.
from it is a corporate world. And 11 years before, I wanted to change the mindset of the insurance industry from the people, and started with my activities, with my mission, with my motivation to close the gap between the innovation world and the insurance world, because we know the insurance industry is a very traditional business model, very traditional innovation activities what we are doing. But I saw that big opportunity, one side to use the technology, second of course to develop your organization. And in this 11 year that I try to train the people, of course, it's very important to understand the methods, what is innovation, because if I ask 11 years before CEOs, hey, do you want to do something, innovation activities? And I heard, oh, Mrs. Krishan, innovation, this is not for us. Our business model is more than 300 years the same. As innovation is for tech companies and so. But of course, the mindset was changed. So every leaders know today, that they need to innovate today to be in business tomorrow. And these activities, what I see on the market, I have three different levels. One level of the corporate side, of course, who understand the innovation activities. They are funding a venture. They have a lot of open mindset, talents in the organization. They are looking for ideas. They are cooperate with startups. Also, it's very high level. Also, this organization is very top for the future. And one side they are using, of course, state-of-the-art technology, and the second part is developing the organization. This is the highest level of the corporate side. And the second level is that, yes, they try to understand, they attend open lab or innovation hub or whatever, combine, cooperate with startups. And of course, the developing of the people, because I train a lot of corporate in inside as well, also digital as well, and I see that they are open to know more about innovation, because if you if don't innovate you, if you cannot save cost, if you cannot use the technology, it could be you have a problem. So for me, this is the second level. They are trying, they are understanding, and they are using the possibilities. And the third level, unfortunately, is on the market as well, that the CEO say, oh, Mrs. Grijan, let me know, I have 3 years till my pension. I don't want to change anything. It's okay, the business is running and I don't want to confuse my organization. Also, this is from my point of view third level, but it exists on the market as well.
Yeah.
And also this is very interesting. From summarize this session, also I would say it's not only technology, also it's of course very important the people, to train the people to open mindset, to grow, to learn. Also this is the
Yeah.
key for the future as
I think
well.
it's a very important point to mention is the people and culture and how we should upskill them to change their mindset and accept the future. So, moving on to the second question, Erika, can you touch upon your key focus areas of your upcoming Insurance Innovation Day?
Yeah, Insurance Innovation Day is organized since 2015. Also it means this is the 9th edition. Also in Vienna, and then the 3 last year, of course, digital. And my personally key point is the knowledge transfer, to share
Right,
knowledge, to exchange between the people about technology, about news. And in this, between the knowledge transfer, of course, is important the networking part as well. Digital and in Vienna in live as well. And in digital, as I invited your community as well, because we are using an amazing tool from India. So this is the Air Meet, to our digital live streaming tool.
right,
Of course, it's the engagement between the people is amazing. We have 4 different parts. Of course, one part is the Insurtech pitching. Also that means we are hearing from different areas, from Singapore, from Austria, from Germany, different startup use case. And from other side, we are inviting young corporate talents to pitch like a startup, even if they aren't. Also they are not, but they are pitching because they are proud of the company, they are proud of a product or solution for example, they are working on.
right.
And this 4 innovation part, of course, is important from the topic. One, how can we use the innovation, as the innovation scouting? What does it mean? How they are using companies innovation scouting to choose the right technology, but state of the art, because this is innovation as an investment for the future,
Yeah,
and it's the technology exponential developing. But today you have to have the decision for a future case. Also innovation scouting is a very important point. The second one is the climate change, because the insurance industry is a very big player in this art, not only from the liability side to avoid risk, but of course from the asset side as well. So it means how can we invest, how can we influence, of course, reduce this risk as climate change. The third part is the embedded insurance and bank insurance. So this is a old business model with a new technology possibilities and opened this cross-industry innovation possibilities. So this is very important to check which industry are open to combine the business model with insurance business opportunities. So this is important as well. And near the technology, it's very important the employer branding. So what does it mean to bring the best talents to your company? Is the employer branding is only something that you have in your flyer, or really you live with the topic? And we are discussing with CEOs of different companies, and this is important to understand and to manage this one. Also, lot of knowledge sharing, learning, growing, and this is that what I like and motivate not only the community who are coming to Vienna, but of course in the digital world as well.
Right. Yeah. Excellent. I think ESG, as you said, is one of the important topic that insurers, must look at. How to better ensure the future and where environment plays, an important part. So thanks for bringing that up, Erika. So, the final question for the day to you is, what are you expecting out of Insurance Innovation Day? What's the message to the
Yeah, yeah.
audiences?
Mhm. Yeah, as I mentioned before, as a knowledge sharing is for me, it's a very important topic. And a big vision from my side that we have to motivate young talents to be open for this insurance industry. And everybody know that the insurance industry is not the most sexy industry that everybody wants to work next day in the insurance industry. But of course, I started last year with an Insurtech Talent Network to learn more about the insurance innovation activities. So this is an education program in the digital world. And these talents need orientation in the insurance industry. And one part, of course, the Insurance Innovation Day, wants I to meet in Vienna as hotspot for insurance talents, and the second one is to in the digital world. And my target to show end of the day that the insurance industry did in the last year again a lot of activities, a lot of news for the clients. Also it means, also I have a big vision that of course through knowledge sharing, through to show that digital transformation is an important part of the journey of the insurance industry, and we can do it together to show for young talents, for people who are interested about the insurance industry, that to innovate with us. And of course, I have every year a motto. As last year, it was my motto for an event as well: people first, technology second. And this year is the motto of the event: curiosity drives innovation. Also, it means if you are curious, you should attend our event in Vienna or in the digital live streaming.
Absolutely. So fantastic, Erika, and lovely discussion. Thank you for your thoughts and your initiative as part of the Insurance Innovation Day. So, to all the listeners, if you're in Vienna, try not to miss out the Insurance Innovation Day. It's a big opportunity for all the insurance folks to be part of it and also learn and network from other insurance professionals on the day. People who are not in Vienna, you can also join the live streaming. It'll be a fantastic opportunity. You can get in touch directly with Erika or get in touch with us at info@insurexstory.com, and we can help you sort that out. And lastly, true delight to have you as our guest, Erika. And to wrap this up, thank you for listening and see you at our next episode. Take care and stay safe. Goodbye for now.
Thank you for our discussion.